everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I am going to show you what we're going to be doing with the drop cloth that we bleached last week. So if you haven't seen my previous video where I show you how to bleach drop cloth, I'll leave a link to that one below so you can check that out. But what we're going to be doing today, so this is a painter's, you know, like a painter's drop cloth, what they use to cover furniture and floors and that sort of thing with when they paint houses. I'll be using this, which I've already bleached so that it's nice and soft and nice and white. And I'll be using this to make a bed skirt for my bed. Now, I know you can buy bed skirts cheap enough off eBay or wherever, you know, they're not that expensive, but our bed is a slat bed, so it's got like the wooden slats going across with a mattress sitting on top. So it's very hard to actually find a bed skirt suitable for that style of bed, I've found. Because we've got wooden sides on the bed, like it's got a wooden frame going down the sides and then slats going across, the ones that sort of fit on a bed ensemble where it's like a mattress base and then a mattress sitting on top, they don't tend to sit correctly on that bed because of all the slats. So what I am going to be doing is using this drop cloth to make my own bed skirt. So this drop cloth is actually one suitable for the stairwell. So it's about 1.2 meters wide and 6 meters long. So that's going to be more than enough to go around my bed. I'm only going to put it on the 3 sides of the bed. Clearly, it's not necessary to put it along the headboard because no one's going to see it. So what I plan to do with this is fold it in half and cut down the middle so that I'll have 2 pieces that are going to be 60 centimeters wide by 6 meters long. So what we're going to do first is, it's very hard to show you, but I'm basically going to fold the drop cloth in half lengthways and cut right down the middle. Okay, so we'll do that now. So I've folded it in half lengthways, and now I'm just going to, what's the word, concertina fold it all at one end so that I can then cut it and fold it out as I need it. The next step is I am going to attach some Velcro. I've got some Velcro strips and I'm just going to attach it to the inside here because that's what we're going to attach our bed skirt to. So I just figured it's going to be a lot easier with a staple gun than it would be with hot glue, and probably a lot stronger as well. So I'm probably going to go about the same height as the frame. Okay, so I'm just gathering it up roughly where I want it to sit in the bed. Now, for the most part, it's going to be tucked under the mattress, but I have put a couple of Velcro strips along the sides just to hold it in place. And because our frame starts there again, I'm going to have to cut it down here and then start the inside one on the inside of the frame. So the sides are going to be over the outside and then the bottom is going to be on the inside. So I've just cut that section off now. Okay, so I've just pinned the Velcro to a gathered section, and I'm not even going to sew it, just pin it there like, and it just holds in place. It's just to help hold it, because at the end of the day the mattress is going to do most of the work. But yeah, so it's definitely no sew. You can sew if you want, but I prefer to be able to take these off when I need to wash it, because I don't think these wash that well. So yeah, that just sort of helps keep a section in place, and just do that for the few sections around the bed. So I've got both sides done now, so it's just like I said, just in a couple of holds with the Velcro, and I'm basically going to do the same for this end. It all finished. I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out, and it's a no-sew bed skirt, so it's easy to remove and to wash. So yeah, yeah, especially if you're finding it hard to get a bed skirt to fit your bed. Like, I mean, we have one of those slatted beds, as you saw, and I've not really found anything that would actually go on our bed. So this is a quick and easy solution, and one way you can use your drop sheets. So yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. It was a quick and easy one. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I will be soon doing our final room reveal, and you probably don't want to miss it if you've been joining me for my last few videos. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.